Hi guys, this is Miss PC. Welcome back to my channel. It's been very long, like 3 months. I don't know what to say. I've been so inactive. Like, this is too much. 3 months is too much, but let's not talk about that. I don't know, I did not feel like shooting. I was being lazy and I was kind of not well, I think so, like every day. I had no idea what to shoot, so I thought that why not shoot a week in my life. So welcome to a week in my life. तो मैंने सोचा था ना कि मैं Monday से Sunday shoot करूँगी, but then I thought कि Monday is going to be very boring. I have nothing to do, so why not start it with Sunday. Today is Sunday, it's day 1 and I have come out with my family and we are doing nothing. Guys, if you have watched my Gangtok vlog, you must have seen my brother. He was wearing leather jacket and looking so good, but I don't know why he's not looking good anymore. You can see my father over there is just sitting beside this river and enjoying the view, but to be honest, I'm not enjoying it. I just came to eat. My father told he'll take us on a lunch, so मैं इसलिए ही आई हूँ. मेरे आने का और कोई भी कारण नहीं है. I like the view, but it's literally very hot. I think I should do a outfit check. This is my outfit and to be honest, I'm liking my outfit. It's kind of, I don't know, very decent yet very stylish maybe. Rate my outfit in the comments. Hi. Hey pal. I hope you don't hit. I have no idea what I should do here. I am kind of bored. I'm so sorry for whatever you're watching right now. Actually, मेरा आदत नहीं है अब कैमरा में देख के वीडियो बनाने का. I feel like what I should even speak in the camera. All people are watching me. Everybody is watching me. I'm sure this vlog is going to be very boring. I'm very thirsty. I'll drink गन्ने का juice now. I just love this sugarcane juice. To be honest, this is the worst sugarcane juice I have ever tried. It's all water, no taste. आज तक मैंने जो सबसे अच्छा sugarcane juice पिया है was in Muzaffarpur. Everybody here is watching me, especially girls. Not saying I'm complaining or something. And my mom is getting some pineapple. She's eating this ice cream.
Wet nose, waggy tail.
I did some shopping like makeup products and mini show cute stuffs. All very important. Now we are going to have something good because we are hungry. Okay, I'm in kitchen now. Let's keep the camera and cook. Avocado. It's really tough cooking with your nails. I did not cut it properly. Salt, black pepper, some chili flakes.
सीनो so nice. उधर नहीं आ रहा था ना, इधर देख. My God. एकदम वीडियो बनाने वाला माहौल. अभी रुक गया.
So it's Tuesday today. I have a shoot and this is what I am wearing. It's a short kurti. Looks so pretty. It's almost 4 p.m. and I'm gonna go out now. But first we need coffee. So I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna take iced coffee today because I have cold, so I'm gonna take the hot coffee. You look like my brother. He used to look like you when he was a kid. He used to look exactly like you.
Psychedelic. Like air pressure and whatnot. It's 120 decibels without breaking a sweat. Undead dude on Earth, so how can you not be dipping into that? Talk about zombie mode. Now that's the bomb, man. Think on it, bro. They're not just zombies. They're not retarded. Nazi zombies don't want to eat you just because they're craving the protein.
There you go.
Cotton. Kalau
Okay, so today is Saturday, basically the last day of our vlog, a week in my life. Tanya has invited me for lunch today. She's making chicken momo for me. But first I'll eat something light. It's already 4:30 p.m. I'm already late. I did not eat anything till now. I'll just eat some boiled egg because I think I should take care of my health now. So basically I'm starting to take care of my health when the Navratri is going to start and I won't be able to eat eggs anymore. I love half-boiled eggs. So I'll be putting some black salt on this. And of course the coffee. I don't know why I look dull today. Wait, should we eat eggs with the milk coffee? Okay, so the outfit check. And I'm skipping the earrings for today. Oh my god, I can't wait any longer. Look at my nails. So pretty. Oh my god. Let's drink coffee now. Okay, let's go now. I'm already late. She expected me to come at 3 p.m. It's already 5. Looks good, Tanya.
Yeah,
Who will put chutney?
I will put obviously.
Wow, you made this.
No, my ghost made. Come on, taste it.
Looks good. Looks damn good. This is friendship. I bring her biryani, she makes momo for me.
Yeah.
Better than restaurants.
Thanks.
One more.
One more क्या ये तेरे लिए ही है सब भाई. चल अब खा तू. Reaction was like good.
Hi, this pink is looking. ये पता है कैसा है? Remember when Elena turns into vampire and then when she two best friends different aesthetic. Two best friends in a room. As such which I can post on my
You can put that no song. So nice nails. Wow, just done her nail.
पासे मारे अखियाँ को उसका नाम पुकारे सोरे रंग बेरंजिया तेरे ही जैसे लगते हैं सारे.
Loved it. इधर लगाता ना. Good. कैफे में चल.
So cute cat.
So cute.
So cute. Wow.
आपके लिए तो आधा घंटा रुक गए, अभी तक तो घर भी पहुंच जाते.
चलो एटलीस्ट सिर्फ गाड़ी ही खाए बिना ना।
हाँ, आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ, वो ही पड़ा बस।
हम चाय कभी पीता नहीं है, ठीक है?
जी,
चाय भारी पड़ गया।
चाय आज आपको बहुत भारी पड़ गया।
चाय से और जैसे घूमते 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 खूब मजा का निकला।
हाँ जी।
घूमते घूमते
ओ
So it's almost like 11 p.m. My day is almost over. The vlog is almost over a week in my life. I am not sure what did I even do in this vlog. So I tried filming as much as I could. My life is not that much happening. Also, you must have seen me shopping this week, so I want to show you everything I got. First, I want to show you what I got from Miniso. First is this electric brush which I'm already using. I have got 2 extras. Next, I got this makeup removal wipes, also in a small travel size as well. My mom got this earbuds. I got this lipstick. I want to show you the shade. Even I have not tried the shade on me, so the price is so affordable. It's kind of a nude, which I usually don't use. I think it's nice. Then I got some K beauty makeup products. I got it from the lifestyle store. First is this illuminator. It works as a primer or the moisturizer. It gives that glowy kind of look, which I have already used it today. Next is this concealer. This is my second purchase and I love it. I've used this as well in my under eyes today. And I got this mascara, and trust me, this is so good. It's washable. Let me try it. Just look at it. I'm loving it. Next, one last thing I got is this lip liner. Now we have clothes. First is this wide leg jeans. I got this from Zudio, the one I was wearing with the black tank top in this video. Next is this oversized t-shirt. This is also from Zudio. I loved this one. And we have this beautiful pink dress. I know you guys must have loved this. Then are these 2 kurtis for my mom, and I have also done some online shopping, but for that we'll have a haul. Now my day is over. This vlog is over. I'll just get freshen up now and I'll be reading this book. And we'll have a Netflix and chill with my brother. And I also have to edit this video. That's gonna be a hard task. I'm not ready for it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was not perfect, I know, but it has been so long that I have been in front of camera and talking, and it's so tough, trust me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, share this with your friends and your family or whoever wants to watch this.